Let's move on, starting with the man's perspective. Rotate the lady counterclockwise, shift your weight to the right leg, use the right hand to lead the partner in front of you, then draw a shape of a circle with the hand to initiate her spin. Let go of the wrist and place both your hands around the lady's waist. Notice that this connection is not very firm, you need to leave enough space for her to continue the rotation up to the point when she's with her right side to you. Then progressively shift your weight to the left leg, leading the lady into the dip. At the same time, slide the left hand up to support her back on the level of the shoulder blades, right hand stays around her waist. Make sure to bend your left knee, avoid leaning over the partner, keep your back straight to create the counterweight. Then pull her out of the pose back to the vertical position, shifting your weight between your legs. Ladies, even though the man is supporting your back, avoid leaning on him too much, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Let's cover the steps. You're on the right leg, left one is free. Now rotate counterclockwise, start with the left leg. During the rotation, raise your hands to the level of your shoulders, keep them in front of you, then place them on the man's shoulders. Step with the left leg, right one, keep rotating, left, right, place your hands on the man's shoulders and rotate more to end up with your right side to him. This connection is not very firm. As you get into the pose, you can slide your arms and hands slightly down the man's shoulders and arms to be able to go into the pose. You will also straighten your elbows. Keep your weight on the right leg, make sure to bend your right knee, left leg is straight in front of you, you can slide it forward. Direct your hips forward and up and tilt your upper body and head backward. Stay in your own balance as much as you can. Gentlemen, remember not to lean over the lady, bend your knee more to get lower into the pose. As you get back to the vertical position, connect your feet and recreate the frame. 7 and 8 and 1, 2,